Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your Android device and the files you need. Enable developer options and USB debugging so your phone accepts advanced installs. This also allows ADB transfers. Make sure you free at least 8 GB and charge above 50% to avoid interruptions. Download the Windows 11 ISO, an Android x86 compatible emulator APK or virtualization app, and any required license or key files. Once done, connect your device to a PC if needed to transfer the ISO and tools. Then move straight to You now install and configure the emulator to run Windows. Sideload the APK using ADB install or a trusted file manager, then open the app and create a new virtual machine. Assign at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM. Allocate a virtual disk of 32 GB or more for system and apps. Mount the Windows 11 ISO you transferred and choose UEFI boot if the emulator supports it, because Windows 11 requires modern firmware. Make sure Secure Boot or TPM emulation is enabled if available, then start the VM. You finish by running Windows setup inside the virtual machine and following on-screen prompts. When asked, format the virtual disk and complete the out-of-box experience. After installation, install guest additions or drivers the emulator provides so touch, audio, and networking work smoothly. Make sure to adjust display scaling for your screen. If the VM fails to boot or Windows blocks installation, try toggling between UEFI and legacy mode. Enable TPM emulation, or change RAM allocation as a key troubleshooting step before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.